How bananas are ripened in the village naturally. Let's see the process. First, the bananas are lined up in one place and then count the banana sheet. After then, they put the banana leaves top on the few days and then they wait 4 days or 5 days. Bananas begin to ripen naturally after a few days as they are heated by sunlight on the banana leaves. I was surprised to see the man baking the bananas like that. It's very tough and quite tough for us. It's very hard working. I cannot do the job. I cannot carry these things by this way. And this country's lots of people carry their things by this method. It's very profitable and they can carry their things easily by this way. So already bananas processing is going to complete. Hey guys, already bananas ripen processing has completed. After a few days, bananas will be ripened. If you like this video, obviously subscribe my channel. There is no subscriber of my channel. Please help me.